Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. I'm cooking moo shoo turkey bacon. I'm preparing a big meal tonight. Did you ever have some time like when before the meal, you are really hungry? So I thought I'd make something very simple, easy, bite-sized moo shoo. Here's some green onion, bell pepper, and this cabbage. You can use any kind of cabbage. The cabbage, you gotta very thinly cut. So it's easy to stir fry, you know? You don't want to cut it too big. If sometimes you see the cabbage is too thick, over thickness, split it in half. You want to make sure safety first. Okay, I'm going to cook it together. Here's some bell pepper. Any kind of vegetable will go along with this moo shoo. Mushroom, shiitake mushroom, bamboo shoot, you know, those kind of stuff. They're all good and delicious. And I got lots of red chili, so I'm going to use it maybe just half. I don't want to upset my stomach, you know what I mean? And here is the bacon. Cut it little thinly strip just like that. And we are going to cook it together. See how gorgeous? Medium high heat. Some vegetable cooking oil to cook. Not much. You see how much I put in? Very little. Sometimes you can do like a scrambled egg for the moo shoo. It's all about the wrapper. I'm using this wrapper. Not necessarily the traditional moo shoo pancake, but this is I can use. I'm using a great excuse by cooking my ginger and garlic, right? Ginger and garlic in. Stir until aromatic. And then, ooh, smells so clean and fresh. Vegetable in. Stir fry. Toss it around. Oh, what is this piece for? Take it out. Here we go. I'm gonna get my knife. Give them a quick chop. And we're gonna put it back in with everything else. This doesn't require too long to cook. Want to make sure your pot and pan is nice and hot. Okay, we're gonna add some. Main ingredient for moo shoo is the hoisin sauce. It's a sweet bean sauce. This one you can add as much as you want. It's just supposed to be a little sweet. And soy sauce, not much. Like few dash in. And every soy sauce is different. The sodium content is different. The flavor is different. So you need to try it out, your soy sauce, and to your taste. You see that? The color starts changing. And then, sesame oil. Little bit. So cooking is like an art. Think about it. Nobody tell you what kind of moo shoo pork ingredient you have to put in. This is beautiful, right? I have some fried shallot. I love this kind of stuff. You know what? Just put it in, right? For your own taste. Here we go. Give them a quick stir. Oh, smell amazing. A great moo shoo pork, when you're done cooking, that's not much water coming out. Because you don't want water. You want to pan sear and dry out everything. If that's wet, too much watery, it's hard to wrap, right? Oh, that's so good. And that little strip of the bacon, it gives you flavor. Great combination. Believe it or not, 5 minutes, done. I placed one of my tortilla wrapper and just gonna heat up a little bit. 15-20 seconds on each side to soften the tortilla. Okay, we should turn off the fire. We are ready to eat. Tortilla here. And I'm gonna add some my beautiful, oh look at that. Oh boy, it smells so good. Right? I'm gonna save space here. I'm gonna fold this, but the top is where I do the first bite. Between a good chef is you want every bite evenly, especially the top. The top one is your first bite. You want like yummy, especially you have guests. You want them to eat like first bite. Whoa, delicious. And then we can add more hoisin sauce. Okay, like that. And then sriracha. Yeah, I have cilantro somewhere. Sorry, add a cilantro would be nice. So what I do is I fold this here and then just fold like a blanket and roll it right here. Ooh, this is weak, so it's dry. Here we go. Okay, ready? Oh my goodness! Look at that! So good. Seriously, so good. Give it a try. I hope you liked the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye. Two bite, 3 bite, 4 bite, 8 bite. Not bad, huh?